The new Hard OLED screen for iPhone 16 Pro Max has arrived. This new 16 Pro Max screen supports IC removable, no pop-up after replacing the original IC, and supports Apple Identify RAN diagnostics. The screen thickness is 1.97 mm. The thickness after installation is 8.35 mm. The screen brightness averages 550 nits. It also features wide color gamut, providing rich colors. The touch functionality is equally outstanding. It has brightness adjustment and true tone features. The polarization function is also excellent. The bottom bezel thickness is 3.23 mm.